Hello everyone, welcome to Sailed IAS. So as you know, in last two video we have discussed some important mountains, important rivers and important states of Africa continent which passes through all latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Equator. And then we have discussed how UPSC has asked the question in UPSC prelims point of view. In today's video we will discuss some major lakes of Africa continent which are also important for UPSC prelims point of view. So as we have discussed, in Africa continent, in the east of Africa, we have Indian Ocean, and north of Africa continent, we have Mediterranean Sea. Here we have Indian Ocean, and west of Africa continent, we have Atlantic Ocean. And the small island of Africa continent, that is Madagascar. And the three latitude which passes through the Africa continent, one is Tropic of Cancer, and second is Equator, and south of Equator we have Tropic of Capricorn. When talk about lakes, the important lakes of Africa which are important for UPSC prelims point of view, the first lake is Lake Victoria. Lake Victoria, it is the second largest freshwater lake of Africa. It is second largest freshwater lake in the world, and it is largest lake of Africa. So remember the things. It is second largest freshwater of lake in the world, and it is the largest lake of Africa, and it is situated in the equator. And the next important information about Lake Victoria, it is the source of river White Nile. So the important information with respect to Lake Victoria, the first thing is it is the second largest freshwater lake in the world, and it is the largest lake of Africa. It is passes through the equator, and the source of a river White Nile, it is the source of river White Nile. And the second lake is Lake Eschol. So Lake Eschol, it is situated in the state of Djibouti, and it is the lowest point of Africa. So the two information is important with respect to Lake Eschol. And the third important lake is Lake Nasser. Lake Nasser, it is situated on river Nile, and this Lake Nasser, it is not natural, it is man-made lake. And last information with respect to Lake Nasser, it is situated the border between the Sudan and Egypt. So we have discussed Lake Victoria, which passes through the equator. Lake Essel, it is situated in Djibouti, and Lake Nasser, it is situated just near the Tropic of Cancer, between the border of Sudan and Egypt, and it is a man-made lake. And the next lake, which is also important, Lake Chad. So Lake Chad, it is situated just south of Sahara Desert, and there is one important river which passes through this lake, and the name of the river is River Chad. So Lake Victoria turn, Lake Essel turn, Lake Nasser, and Lake Chad. The fifth lake is Lake Tana. So Lake Tana, it is situated in Ethiopia highland. It is situated in Ethiopia highland, and it is the source of Blue Nile. So river Blue Nile, which origin from the Lake Tana. And the last important lakes of Africa, that is Lake Kariba. So Lake Kariba, it is the southernmost lakes of Africa. It is the southernmost lake of Africa, which is, it is also a man-made lake, which is situated on Zambezi river, and it produces largest hydroelectricity of Africa. So these are some important lakes of Africa which are important, which are significant for UPSC prelims point of view. First we have discussed Lake Victoria, then Lake Essel, Lake Nasser, Lake Chad, Lake Tana, and Lake Kariba. So apart from these lakes, some miscellaneous topics of Africa will discuss in upcoming video. Till then, stay tuned for a new video updation. Thank you.